Hello everyone, myself Dr. Abhinay Anand. This year I gave the NEET PG examination in which I secured All India rank 34 among 2,09,000 students. So this video is for our viewers who are going to appear for the NEET undergraduate examination, NEET UG. So we have got a lot of comments and requests from our viewers stating that we are very much stressed about our exam. It is just a month away. Please guide us what to do and what not to do. So first of all, I would like to say to all of you that we have also been there. We all gave our NEET UG examinations 5 years ago, 6 years ago in 2017. So yes, that is a very stressful time because yes, this exam is going to determine whether you get a medical college, which medical college you get, and many things. Like it is going to shape the rest of your life. But I'd like to say that it is just another exam in your life, right? Yes, it is important, but it is not the end of life then and there only, okay? Even if you don't get selected, you don't get a good college, no, there are options ahead. Like, if you do very well in the examination, you get the college of your dreams. Even if you don't get that good a rank, you definitely get some other college, right? So even if you do MBBS from any college, it doesn't matter much, okay? Ultimately, it is the patient load. Many state colleges are even having better patient load than newly opened AIMS, okay? So don't ever think that acha college milega ki nahi. No, if you are getting MBBS, you take it, okay? Even if you don't get a seat, prepare for next year. Everyone deserves a second chance, okay? Everyone deserves a second chance. So if you feel that yes, I can do it, talk to your parents, talk to your teachers, and give another try. So just stop thinking that इस exam में नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा. No, this exam, as I have said again, is not the end of life, okay? You have many options from there. Now, coming back to our question that only 1 month is left, what to do? So for the last 1 month, I'd like to say is just be calm. Okay, first of all, be calm. You have studied for the past 2 years or maybe 3 years, okay? You have studied, okay? Have faith in yourself, have faith in your teachers. Whatever they have given you, they have given those things only which they feel are important, which they think are going to come. So revise those things again and again as many times as you can, okay? Don't try to learn very new things at the end, that I will say, okay? Try to stick with what you have already read. Yes, if some very important topics which are being asked again and again are left, yes, definitely read them. But for everyone else, I'd like to say, don't open up a book and start reading 5 other species in a kingdom, or those things are not going to help, okay? Stick to your NCERT books for most of the subjects, physics, chemistry, bio, everywhere NCERT books, majority of the questions will be there. Yes, few here and there questions will be there, but majority of the question will have some link to what is given in your NCERT books, okay? For your diagram based questions, image based questions, only and only NCERT images will be asked. So go through them, okay? Give tests, definitely give tests, okay? Like today is 29th, okay? On 7th of May you are having your exams, okay? So around 1 month, 1 week, like five weeks are left. So for now, give exam every weekly. In the last 15 to 20 days, give exams twice a week, okay? And in the end, like 2 weeks before the examination, you can give examination every alternate day. Because you see, when you are going to give an exam, like if you are going to play cricket before, or you are going to do exercise, you warm up, right? Warm up मतलब क्या होता है? You prepare yourself. So if you are going to give an exam, many people say exam dena will not give any more practice tests. No, you need to give practice tests so that you get in the form. So that when you go to give your main NEET PG examination, it will be just like another examination of some coaching institute which you are going to give, right? मैं रोज सुबह जा रहा हूँ 10 बजे एक एग्जाम दे रहा हूँ, तो जब मैं उस संडे को जाऊँगा एग्जाम देने, मुझे लगेगा मैं वैसे ही एक प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट देने आया हूँ. कैन यू गेट माई पॉइंट? सो इन द एंड, give examination every alternate day. Yes, you can take the last 2 to 3 days off, no problem, okay? Relax yourself in the last 2 days. No need to study much, only see the diagrams, go through. Some of the people make a copy of things which they don't remember, like one liners or anything. If you have made some that kind of copy, go through that in the last 2 days. Even if you have not made, no problem, just go through the NCERT images, few formulas of physics which you forget, that's it. For the last 2 to 3 days, no need to take pressure. ओके, जितना पढ़ना था अब तक पढ़ लिया, लास्ट के 2 दिन में कोई ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. यस, फ्यू पॉइंट्स एज आई सेड, जो याद रखने वाले पॉइंट है, रटने वाले पॉइंट है, वी ऑल फॉरगेट. So if you study those in the last 2 to 3 days, definitely they'll stay with you. But your basic concepts, they are not going to change much in the last 2 to 3 days. Okay, so don't put much pressure on yourself. Give the tests. Okay, don't see the tests as a judgment that अरे मुझे अभी तो 720 में से 400 ही आ रहे हैं, how will I clear NEET? No, don't judge yourself on the basis of the marks or number of corrects. Okay, just go with the mindset that yes, I have to appear for an exam, I have to see how I perform. You have to see that you don't take stress in the examination, because you see, we gave NEET PG examination, that was a computer based test, but NEET UG is still a bubbling OMR sheet based test. Okay, so in a OMR based test, even if you do one question incorrect by mistake, and sometimes people start doing everything incorrect below that. Okay, so try to stay calm, devote proper time for bubbling. Okay, many of you might be preparing from online sources and giving only online examinations. Okay, so to them I would like to say, take out a printout of an OMR sheet and practice on the OMR sheet. Okay, because ultimately your exam is going to be on the OMR. Many people say that it is just बहुत मामूली सी बात है, we'll give the exam, main exam well, अभी computer पे ही देंगे. No, that is not going to help. Ultimately you have to manage time. That bubbling and everything takes up about 20 to 40 minutes of your total time is spent in bubbling. Okay, so out of the 3 hours, 20 to 40 minutes you have to spend for that. In an online exam you don't have to devote that much time for bubbling and everything. Okay, so definitely give exam in an offline mode on an OMR sheet and see your mistakes, that कहाँ पे bubbling में गलती हुई, ठीक है, कहाँ पे मैंने गलती से C की जगह D मार्क कर दिया. Okay, because in the end, in the final exam, if you do any such mistake, you start panicking in the examination hall. ठीक है, and once you start panicking, then everything goes to waste. Your entire efforts, your entire whatever efforts you have made goes to waste in that moment. Okay, so stay calm, practice on an OMR sheet. In the main exam when you go, fill your roll number very carefully, because you have to bubble that also. If you make a mistake in that, you are not going to get a replacement OMR sheet. Okay, then while marking the questions also, don't keep all the questions, 180 questions for the end, that I'll mark together. No, never do that. Mark the questions at every 10 to 15 questions, or not, then you do one subject, like you complete physics, then you take 10 to 15 minutes, mark each and every question correctly. Whatever you have not done, keep it for the end. Okay, in the examination, whatever method you use is fine. For those who want to know how to approach, I'll suggest first start with biology, because most of the answers either you know or you don't know. Okay, you don't have to think much in biology. Okay, so first attempt the questions of biology, then go for chemistry, then whatever time you have left, you devote for physics. Okay, and whatever time I mean, like 1 hour or 1.5 hours you will definitely have, because biology is means NEET biology is quite easy. Okay, you can complete the entire biology, all 90 questions you need to mark there, you can complete those in 1 hour. आराम से हो जाता है. Okay, and then 45 minutes for chemistry, and remaining 1 hour 15 minutes will be there for physics. Okay, because in physics some of the questions are tricky, some of the questions are lengthy, you might need to devote more time for that. Okay, so for the last 1 month, revise whatever you have read till now, give tests definitely bi-weekly, or if possible every alternate day. Stay calm. If you are living in a hostel, talk with your family members over phone. If you are living with your family members, spend 1 or 2 hours every day with them. Just forget about studies. Okay, for 1 hour every day, forget about studies, enjoy with them, laugh with them. Yes, then you return back, study well. Okay, last 1 month is very crucial. Don't think that सब हो गया अब नहीं पढ़ेंगे. No, even in the last 1 month you need to revise. नया मत पढ़ो, but revise करो. And revision का सबसे best method is to give tests. And in the last 1 month, give all subject tests, like 3 subject combined, all the topics combined. Don't give subject wise or topic wise test in the end. Okay, give test of all the 19 all the three subjects, all the topics together, so that you get an idea that yes, which topics are asked, or which topics I'm doing more wrong. Like if I'm doing morphology topic wrong, then I'll revise morphology again. If I'm doing some physics questions wrong, then I'll revise those topics again. Okay, so you get an idea that which topic you need to revise, because in the end you cannot revise all the three subjects of class 11th and 12th together in 1 month. So better to give exams, revise from that, stay calm. When you go for the exam, think as if you are going to give just another test of your coaching institute. There, don't do mistakes in bubbling. Devote time for bubbling, at least 10 minutes for 45 questions, 10 to 20 minutes. So total, out of the total time, 30 minutes to 40 minutes should definitely be devoted for bubbling. Okay, don't be in a hurry, because ultimately question paper में solve कर भी दिया तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, सही answer mark करना है, that is more important. Okay, so with this I would like to wish all the best to all of you. My best wishes to you, that you all secure good ranks and come to the medical college of your choice, and in future maybe we'll meet you. So thank you so much.